Hi boys and girls, and welcome to our Flex Day of Learning. This is a video to show you how to submit assignments on Google Classroom. The first thing you will need to do is sign into your Google account. From there, you will click the little waffle at the top on the right-hand corner. You will then go to Google Classroom. Once you are in Google Classroom, it should have all of the classes that you are participating in. We're going to use this class as the example today. So you click on that class. Right here you have your stream. On your stream it shares everything that your teacher posts. Please check this daily. They can post what assignments they expect you to complete. If you have questions, how to contact them, things like that. On the side there are upcoming things. This is where you submit your assignments. This says exactly what assignments you will have due. But today we're going to go to classwork. So once you click on classwork, you go to where it has your assignment. This is the assignment for Flex Day 1. Click View Assignment. From there, it will tell you your instructions. It'll tell you what you need to do. If you have to write notes in your notebook, if you have to answer questions, whatever you need to do for the assignment, it will be there. This says answer the questions in the PowerPoint on a separate Google Doc file and attach it. That's how you will get points for that day. So you will take and read your notes. Then you will go to Add. When you go to Add, you click Add Docs. It will create your own Google Docs file. Once that file is created, you will click on that and it will take you to your file. You will type in your assignment and the answers to your question right on the file. It already has your name on it, so you're good. Once you have finished, you go back to Google Classroom. Your file is already there because you clicked Create It. If your file is not there, you can click Add, go to your drive, find your assignment, click Add, and it will come up at the top. If this is an assignment that has a document attached and it made a copy for you, that work will already be up here and all you need to do is click on that assignment. Once your assignment is added and you have completed it, you click Turn In. You must click Turn In so that your teacher knows you submitted your assignment. Once you click Turn In the second time, that verifies that your assignment is completed. From there, it will say Submit. That means that you have already turned in your assignment and you are ready to go. If you have any questions about Google Classroom, your assignments, what you need to do, please contact your teacher. Assignments will be posted each day at 9 a.m. and will need to be completed by the end of the day. You may contact your teacher between the hours of 9 and 2 p.m. If you contact them afterwards, they will get back to you as soon as they are able. Again, if you have questions, please ask your teacher. Good luck, have a good day, and we look forward to reviewing your assignments.